Well, this will make some of my friends happy. Talking about golf. Welcome back, and today I'm going to create the John Daly. The John Daly is essentially a boozy or alcoholic Arnold Palmer. So, some background. The Arnold Palmer was named for the golfer Arnold Palmer. Surprise, surprise. Arnold Palmer is a legend in golf, and he is a 7-time major champion. And when I say major, I mean that professional golf has what are known as majors, which are more prestigious tournaments than others. I'm not going to get into the history of golf and all the majors and all the traditions and such like that. It's not a big part of this discussion. But Arnold Palmer was known for mixing iced tea and lemonade in equal parts, hence why that combination was eventually called the Arnold Palmer. Now, you can find it in grocery stores, in gas stations, and just go and look for it and you'll be able to find it, because you'll actually see a picture of Arnold Palmer and it will say it's the Arnold Palmer. So I'm not going to make that today. I'm going to make the boozy version, which is named the John Daly. Now, the John Daly, it takes the same recipe as an Arnold Palmer of equal parts iced tea and lemonade, and you add vodka to it. Now, this is named for the professional golfer John Daly, who is really like the everyman's professional golfer. He wears loud pants. He was known for prestigious length, especially when he arrived on a PGA Tour in 1991. And he's had some controversies, especially from his final major championship win in 1995 at St. Andrews, all the way up until now with some of his, let's just say, party antics. But it's almost like, I don't want to say spitting in the face of modern golf fitness, but he's almost the antithesis, because while some golfers such as Tiger Woods, Jordan Spieth, Rory McIlroy, they may choose to have, say, water or Gatorade or electrolyte-rich fluids while they play their rounds of golf, John Daly would say, hand me Diet Cokes. And that is a little off. But, as I said, he's almost like the everyman's professional golfer. John Daly is also a 2-time majors champion, winning the 1991 PGA in pretty much a zero-to-hero fashion, being the 9th alternate after Nick Price, who was expecting the birth of his first child, I believe, had to leave from being in the field of the PGA. And John Daly showed up right in time for his first tee time and ended up winning by 3 shots before falling slightly into obscurity, but then winning his second and final major in 1995, as I said, at St. Andrews. So, part of that out of the way, I'm sorry if I just bored you with all the history. Let's make it. This is a build in a glass cocktail. So, I'm going to be building this in a Collins glass, and I'm going to utilize a Collins spear. Now, I am not going to be using the pre-packaged Arnold Palmer drinks that you see from the gas stations or convenience stores. Instead, I'm just going to use store-bought lemonade, store-bought iced tea, and then of course add some vodka. So I need 2 ounces of lemonade. Do you need to be exact? No, but yes. Because, I mean, obviously, the Arnold Palmer is equal parts. the John Daly should be equal parts. If you want to free pour this, you can. I'm just going with, pre-packaged and also measured out. And I need 2 ounces of iced tea. I'm using unsweetened tea just to counteract the sweetness of the lemonade. And now, for the hard stuff, I need 1.5 ounces of vodka. Gonna go bar spoon down, just add a little bit of a stir for this. And I'm going to add a straw as well. If you want to add a garnish, you could do a lemon wheel. I'm just choosing not to. But this is a John Daly. Cheers. Or maybe I should say, for... It's nice. It's nice, refreshing. You get a little bit of the kick from the vodka. The lemon comes through first. The iced tea comes in late. The vodka, it just adds alcohol, which is what it's supposed to do. It's neutral grain, no real taste. You do get the kick from it, but not really taste. So, no, this is fine. It's a slightly boozy, it's a slightly boozy drink. It's not bad. If you want to watch some golf, have a John Daly, cool. But for the non-alcoholic version, just make an Arnold Palmer or purchase them. Completely up to you. If you like the video, then please hit the like button, comment, subscribe, and share the video, please. If you want to use any of the barware that I use on my show, check down below. There's a link to kit.co, which has everything I utilize in my bar under the sun, aside from the alcohol, of course. The Amazon affiliate links, which you know what that means. You click the link, make a purchase of the item, I receive a bit of the kickback. It helps out the channel. Thank you in advance if you choose to do so. Find all my socials in the description below as well, and I'm back to streaming. Check me out on the streaming sites that you see right here. I go live, frankly, whenever I feel like it. Until next time, thank you for watching. I will be back real soon with a cocktail. This has been The Beginner's Bar.